Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is JRF Riya, and in this video I'm going to talk about the importance of PYQs, that's mean previous year question papers, and how it gonna help you in any kind of competitive exam, be it UGC NET, be it any kind of exam. Okay, so the first thing and foremost thing that you need to remember is that you have to analyze PYQs before you are going to sit for any kind of exam. If you are thinking that you are done with your syllabus, revision, topics and mock test, and you are not done with your PYQs, then I think you are missing the most important part of your preparation. And now if you have not yet got your PYQs of 2023 December for UGC NET English Literature exam for both paper 1 and paper 2, then you can just ping me out in Telegram channel. Okay, and my Telegram channel is somewhere you can see in my channel, and you can join directly from that link and get that benefit without any kind of fees. Now let's jump into the main video, and it might be a bit longer, so please be with me and then you will get the treasure from that video. Now the first thing that you need to keep in your mind is that do not do any kind of formalities. What do I mean by that? You cannot do any kind of formalities while solving your PYQs, okay? And like if you are solving your PYQs, just your teacher is telling to you, and then you are sitting just to solve these PYQs, then please do not do this. Solve the PYQs and understand the structure of the questions that are being come one after another from the NET point of view and from the point of view of that examiner. Okay, now there are so many types of questions you come to know in English literature as well, like hazards and reason and chronological questions and match the following question. So until you will understand the PYQs and study the PYQs, you will not come to know how the structure will come, right? So you cannot do any kind of formalities with your PYQs. Sit with an hour in your hand, take a copy, take a pen, and then write all the questions that you can solve easily or you can't solve easily. Now it's not to know how knowledgeable you are, rather you have to take the knowledge from that source. Now the second thing is that now for paper 1 you know that all units are equal. Okay, you have to do all the 5 questions from each and every units, so you know that each questions has equal importance. Each questions will give you the 2 marks. Okay, a math that is taking 5 minutes to solve and a simple question that perhaps is taking only 2 seconds to solve, both will give you the 2 marks. Okay, now for paper 2, that is quite difficult to understand the importance area that you need to focus on. Now if I am telling that for paper 2 you can do one thing, that is when you are solving 150 questions, take only suppose 20 questions with you first and make a column on your notebook according to their questions at the top. Now make 2 rows, okay, now and 2 columns, a few rows and 2 columns, and the rows will be 10, because we have 10 or 11 units for paper 2. For example, British literature, American literature, post-colonial literature, theory, criticism, research methodology, then cultural studies, and the figure of speeches or devices. So that will be written in one column, and then just right side of that column you can write the questions that you are getting from each of units. For example, if there is a questions given from the writer or the theorist Stanley Fish, and his works are is there any text in the class, or interpreting the Verionum of text by Stanley Fish. Now you understood that okay, this question is coming from theory, so write one after the row of theory. So in this way you will come to know the important areas that you need to focus on. You will see that 30 questions come from directly British literature, or theory is also important and criticism also important. So 20 and 15 questions directly come from these units. So you need to focus these 3 units the most. Now you see that research methodology, NET do not ask many questions from research aptitude or research methodology. For example, 2 or 3 questions has come this time from research methodology, so you have written 3. Okay, so now in this way you will come to know the importance and how you will make your notes according to the importance of these areas. Now the third thing is that you must understand the pattern of that exam. Okay, because earlier it was at that situation that NTA used to ask simple questions. Okay, like not many chronological questions, but nowadays it is being nowadays we can see many questions in different patterns. For example, it's statement and reason, then chronology based questions, match the following, and the lines are also given from the works of the writer, and if you don't know that, okay, you need to also study the first line and the last line of any work, then if you cannot face the problem while you will see it in exam or kind of mock exam. Now the thing is that I'm going to tell you the benefit of all the pattern that you have to know. You have read all the theories, you understood all the theories. Now if you don't know how to use your analytical mind to solve the questions, then I think it will be in the back of all the students who will get the GRE. Now the fourth thing that you need to know while solving your PYQs is identify the unknown topics. There are many topics that we perhaps don't know, and it's obvious because we are not AI, right? And we can remember everything, we can study all the syllabus. It's not possible. So the thing is that if India has asked this time an unknown topic, then make a list of all that unknown topic. Try to understand the topic, that okay, from which part it is coming. If you can't understand, go to Google, search it out, and make a note of all that thing, because who knows, this question can come and surprise you in your next exam. So it's better that you prepare well, because see, the pattern is getting changed day by day. Okay, and India will not ask you from the another thing, like not ask you the questions from history to students of English literature background. So you need to know that India will give you the same thing from the syllabus, but he will make different changes from that topic. So you need to know that special topic that NT has asked for first time, it can be asked from the for the next time as well. Okay, so this was the video about all the analysis and synthesis that you need to know while you are solving your PYQs, and I'll come with another video where I'll give you the tricks and tips to make your notes and also how to revise your notes that I used to do. So yeah, thanks for this patience that you are with me for so long time. And if you really do like this video, please do like and comment in the comment and share this video and be with me, and thank you. Bye bye.